Thank you for your purchase of the step enclosure system by Confer Plastics. The complete system requires two Step 1Xs, one Step ENC-X, and one PES-GX. To get started, please open up the Step ENC-X box and lay out the components. Using a pair of pliers or a sharp knife, remove the wedges from the end of the step tread and save. Lay one of the connecting rails down on a clean, flat surface. Push the end of the connecting step into the openings of the connecting rail until fully seated. Make sure the tread surfaces of the step are facing up towards the rails. Do the same for the other side. Secure using the locking tabs you removed from the side of the step. With one of the assembled step units at the desired location inside the pool and the second unit placed outside the pool, slide the assembled connector kit down till it's just over the top seat of the above-ground pool. With a cordless drill, fasten the connector kit to the handrail post using 16 number 10 by inch and a quarter screws at each of the pre-marked locations. Using a sharp knife, carefully separate the pickets.
Dad, I want to leave marks in these.
You will notice that there are three different kinds of pickets: single pickets, double pickets, and triple pickets. After attaching the handrails to the inside step, slide the gate adapter post down over the short handrail posts of the outside unit until they bottom out. Install the handrail posts onto the outside step 1. Align the pickets and begin fastening them to the handrail and to the sidewall of the step. Repeat for the opposite handrail. Cover the ends of the screws with the black protective caps. Next, we will begin the installation of the PES gate. The part number is PES-G-. Set the step enclosure instructions aside and refer to the PES gate instructions that were included. Spread open the flange of the hinge mounting post and slide it down over the right side panel until the bottom edge of the hinge post and the bottom edge of the side panel are even. Repeat this for the other hinge post. With a cordless drill, fasten the posts to the side panel using 6 number 10 by inch and a quarter self-tapping screws at the pre-marked location. Each hinge post has 3 spots per side. Wrap the gate hinge around the hinge pin. Fasten the hinge at the 4 pre-marked spots using number 7 inch and a half self-tapping screws. There will be 4 screws per hinge. Wrap the gate hinge around the hinge pin. Fasten the hinge at the 4 pre-marked spots using number 7 inch and a half self-tapping screws. There will be 4 screws per hinge.
All right, now do the other two as well.
The back side? Nope. On the front side here.
Up to the bottom two. Okay.
Install the latch on the mounting block located on the upper portion of the latch post using 4 number 10 by 1 1/4 screws. Close the gate and align the latch bar by locking it to the gate latch as shown. Secure the latch bar to the gate with 2 number 10 by 1 1/4 screws. Mount the closer on the flat recessed area on the hinge post. Please refer to the instructions on the closer package. Your step enclosure system is now ready to be used. Make sure to lock the gate when the pool is not in use or under adequate adult supervision. Thank you again for your purchase of the step enclosure system by Confer Plastics.